HubSpot's global search functionality will now return results for custom objects in addition to standard objects like contacts, companies, and deals. Listen, one of the things I love about using HubSpot is that it's so easy to find things using their global search feature. Need to find the blog importer? Global search. Need to find a contact? Global search. Heck, want to dig in and find the almost hidden HubSpot prospects tool? Yep, global search. Well, guess what? Global search just got even better for some HubSpot users. Who? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. Hey, you know what time it is. In order to succeed more often with HubSpot, you need to be able to find what you're looking for and find it fast. Like I mentioned before, that of course applies to the standard stuff, the people in your database, the support tickets, the companies they work for, and of course, those deals, aka chances to sell your junk or stuff or products or services that they're associated with. However, it should also apply to information that's more unique to your business. You know, the way that you've customized your HubSpot Hub to match what your business does and with who? Things like courses, referrals, or affiliates, donors, rentals, or anything else that's stored as, yep, you guessed it, a HubSpot custom object. Now, if you're an enterprise HubSpot user and have custom objects in your portal, this historically was hard, meaning you couldn't find them. Oh, and a quick side note, if you're thinking to yourself, heck, I could use me some of those there custom objects. Guess what? Link in the description below for more custom object information just for you. HubSpot has officially made it so you can now find your custom objects through the global search. You know, the search within your top navigation area. Hopefully you're using it. Thanks, HubSpot, for making our process more efficient and helping us use HubSpot better and, more importantly, faster. So head into your HubSpot Hub, use the global search in the top navigation, and go see how your HubSpot custom object records now meet your search criteria, magically appearing at your fingertips. And while you're in your HubSpot Hub, remember to be a happy, helpful, humble human, and of course, do some happy HubSpotting along the way. And if you want to learn more about HubSpot Enterprise features, then check out the video right here. And of course, we'll see you in the next video.